how to use mytunes AI music generator. So if you want to use mytunes AI music generator, then first open up your mytunes AI app on your phone. Make sure that you've installed the application. It is available on your app store. Go with get started, which will be on the bottom, and then go with continue. And once you're in, you'll see a bunch of music genres like classic, country, pop, chill, EDM. Pick the one that you want by tapping on it. Like for me, I'll just simply choose one. Once you've selected, type in the short idea or theme for your song, like sad love song or hype workout beat. You can also choose a mood if there is an option. Here I'll type in hype workout beat or just a simple love song. Now tap create music and wait for a few seconds. The app will create a full track of you using AI. Pretty cool, right? You can preview your song right away. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.